Hi, how are you? Today I will talk about an extremely important hormone for men, and especially what the lack of this hormone does. In the end, I'll give you a hint on how to solve this problem in a very easy way. Stay until the end of the video. Take advantage and already subscribe to the channel. Here we will always help with content related to human health. Testosterone is an important hormone for men. It is responsible for various functions in the male body, such as sperm production, muscle growth, bone maintenance, among others. Low testosterone can lead to skin problems such as acne, oily skin. This is because testosterone helps regulate oil production on the skin. Lack of testosterone can lead to weight gain, especially in the abdominal area. This is because testosterone helps regulate metabolism and fat burning. Lack of energy and fatigue are other common symptoms of low testosterone. This can lead to a decrease in sexual desire or an unsatisfactory sexual performance. Lowering the hormone can still lead to loss of muscle mass and strength. This is because testosterone helps build and maintain muscle mass. Hair loss is another common symptom of low testosterone. This is because it helps maintain hair growth in men. It can still lead to problems of concentration and memory, which consequently can lead to a decrease in performance at work or school. Lack of testosterone can lead to a decrease in the production of red blood cells, which can lead to a decrease in immunity and an increased risk of diseases. It can also lead to problems such as insomnia and sleep apnea, which can lead to a decrease in quality of life and an increased risk of illness. Another negative effect is the decrease in bone density and increased risk of fractures, leading to a decrease in quality of life and increased risk of diseases. The good news is that fortunately, there are treatments available for low testosterone as a replacement therapy. Testosterone boosters are food supplements that aim to increase the production of the male hormone in the body. They contain active ingredients that help stimulate the body's natural testosterone production or reduce the amount of estrogen, the female hormone, which can decrease testosterone production. These supplements can have several benefits for male health, including increased muscle mass and strength, reduced body fat, improved libido and sexual performance, increased bone density, improvement in cognitive function, and reduction of symptoms of low testosterone, such as fatigue, lack of energy, and depression. It is important to note that you must follow the dosage instructions to achieve the desired results. To help you in this matter, I will leave in the description and in the first comment fix the link for you to know better Testosterone, a product that acts on the increase of testosterone in men, and that will surely help you in this matter. Many men are using and the results were amazing. Among the benefits are energy gain, decrease in fat, gain of muscle mass, improvement of strength, better sexual performance, among others. I highly recommend this product. Then you come back here and tell me your results. I hope I helped. Bye.